Want glowing skin naturally? The secret isn't just a mask, it's knowing your skin type first. Before exfoliating, it's important to know your skin type. If you have sensitive skin, use gentle ingredients like oatmeal and honey. For normal to oily skin, you can use sugar or ground coffee scrubs. Knowing your skin type helps you choose the right exfoliation and mask, so your skin glows safely and effectively. For sensitive skin, use 1 tablespoon oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Gently massage in circular motions for 2 to 5 minutes. Leave for 5 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a month for soft, glowing skin. For normal skin, mix 1 tablespoon sugar or coffee with 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon yogurt, and a pinch of turmeric. Massage gently in circular motions for 2 to 5 minutes. Leave for 8 to 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week for bright, smooth skin. For oily or acne-prone skin, mix 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt with 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and a pinch of turmeric. Gently massage in circular motions on oily areas for 5 to 8 minutes. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes for it to absorb into the skin. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week to control oil and unclog pores. Your skin is now exfoliated and glowing. In the next video, we'll show you how to make the perfect face mask for your skin type. Don't miss it. Watch out for the next video.